How to delete filtered rows in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel on your device. Then simply click on the row you want to filter. Simply click on row and then go to data. In data, you'll find filter. After clicking on filter, you'll find arrow-like option. In here, you can select any data you want. If not, simply make sure there's no tick mark in it. Then press on OK and your deleted filtered rows will be deleted. Or simply click on remove duplicates and remove it. That's how to delete filtered rows in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.